So I have been selected for the Femina Miss India Goa contest. आणि तेतूच भरपूर लोक many young girls they come there and they audition. आणि it's about presenting yourself as a woman. It's about embracing womanhood. आणि ते एक national pageant आमगेल countryचे. As तुमकां खबर उरतलें की प्रियांका चोप्रा धरिल ते लारा दत्ता धरिल ते all these big names मानुषी चिल्लर आमी सगळे लोक हे कॉम्पिटिशनात पार्टिसिपेट कर नंतर आमकां एज अ कंट्री दे हॅव रिप्रेझेंटेड अब्रॉड.
But you are the only candidate from Goa selected?
Yes, so every state has one single candidate and from each state they select one person and I'm the one person from Goa.
What do you think?
About the chances?
Yeah.
I think we have a very good chance. I feel that I just trained only a few months ago and in my first attempt itself I've come so far. So I think even in the future I have a lot of things to do and I'm sure that I'll be on top of my game and make Goa proud.
Is it your ambition or you are dreaming something like that previous?
Yeah, of course it is an ambition because it provides you a platform where people listen to you, they appreciate what you do, whether it's also social initiative. It just not is about beauty or walking. It's about how you present yourself as a woman as well, and that goes beyond all of these things. So I think what I'm trying to get out of this is make an impact, social impact as well, and increase my visibility, represent our state better, put us on the map, because we are the smallest state but we are not the smaller people.
Goa.
So yeah. I think I want to show
together how many participants were there?
On ground there were about so for the auditions about 500-600 people from each state come there. From Goa there were a little less. I'm not sure about the number, but yeah.
This is all India contest. No?
Yeah, it's an all India contest.
And which institution sponsored your name?
Sorry?
Which institution you participate there? Individual or?
Yeah, you individually go there. Then I have been in the industry for a bit. I actually was a model for Prasad Bidappa, who's a very big name in the industry. He's the one who launched Deepika and all these big names, John Abraham as well. So I used to be a model there part-time. And then I also, participated and studied at Coco Berry, where they teach you how to, talk, communicate your ideas, create impact, how to carry yourself. So yeah, these institutes have truly helped me, and now I'm here and I have finally won the state title, and I'm looking forward to even, bringing the crown home.
Yes.
सोशल फील्ड में कुछ काम है आपका?
सोशल फील्ड में तो मैं एक्चुअली कनाडा में पढ़ती थी, वहाँ पे 4-5 साल के लिए आई वाज देयर. तो ड्यूरिंग माई टाइम देयर आई वन द इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट इम्पैक्ट अवार्ड विच इज़ लाइक कम्युनिटी सर्विस वगैरह के लिए. तो देयर वी हैड लाइक 2-3 इनिशिएटिव्स हियर एंड देयर फ्रॉम द सोशल वर्क स्कूल. That's where I volunteered from time to time, and I have a special place in my heart for the kids at Asha Niketan. So every big occasion, be it me or my family, we all always go there and spend time with the kids. We try to give some kind of food, and today also I've come here to spend time with them before I go to the contest so I can get their blessings and good luck. And I'm just here to help them play, because so for people who are deaf and mute, they don't have because these senses are impaired, the other senses are way more stronger. So we've got some slime, some kinetic sand and all these things that they might not usually get, and they're playing with it so that because it's stimulating their brain, and even study wise these activities can help their brain development as well. So we're just doing something new, bringing the new school and the old school together. And I hope that they develop it as a program as well for these kids.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर सुहेरू कोमरपंत.